Hi class, we're going to learn about fart and burping. This is easy fun digital's learning something new grown-ups. You can watch it. If you want, it's fun digital is so happy make you excited, so let's get started. Enjoy the video. What happens if Leo fart? What do you say? Excuse me everyone. Well done Leo, kids and babies, stay excuse me when you fart. Yeah, you know everybody can fart, it's all normal, but you can say excuse me. When you fart, say excuse me babies and toddlers. Maxwell wants to talk to you first.
What should you do when you fart? Well done, excuse me.
Leo, what should you do when you burped? Pardon me. Well done Leo. But everyone make sure to like and subscribe the Evelyn channel, please get like a subscribe. So then, see you later. Thank you about learning stuff. Goodbye babies and toddlers, say goodbye and say goodbye kids. Now let's say goodbye to Leo. Goodbye.